Hello, my gorgeous gastronomes and vampires. Welcome to T-Rex Steel City Mukbang. Where will this food journey take you today? Pull up a seat. Let's eat. Hey gang, how you doing today? Happy hump day, you guys. There's nothing like hump day. I'm telling you, it's great. It's all downhill from here, right? Am I right? You know it. So, hump day, Wednesday wing day. That's what we're going to call this. Wednesday wing day. I was craving some crispy, crunchy wings. I wanted some crispy, crunchy wings. So I made some. And all I have with this today is some cucumbers. And I threw in a couple jalapenos in here with some balsamic vinegar and oil, olive oil, some Italian seasoning, and some garlic. That's it. Just a little salad thing going on, you know? Cucumber jalapeno salad. And I have a Canada Dry sparkling water. And of course, as always, I want to thank you, all my subscribers, for tuning into this channel and supporting me faithfully, loyally. I love you guys so much for that. And to those of you who have not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. And most of all, subscribe. Okay, guys. You saw that I had some Texas Pete and some one-time spicy Samyang and honey. So let's get started. Let's do something with these crispy, crunchy wings today. Let's start out with some Samyang. I might as well just come right out the gate burning my mouth off, right? Might as well. Why not? That. Yeah. Just the color of this. Just the color alone of this Samyang does something to my palate. Just the color. Is that crazy? Here we go. I'm trying to get you a bite. I just don't want to drip this everywhere, but here you go. Yeah. Yep. Yes. First bite for you. Oh. And I have some I have some cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper, 130,000 Scoville units in the batter of the chicken. Yeah. 130,000 Scoville units. I sprinkled some on the chicken and I sprinkled some in the flour. Because I'm a glutton for punishment. fire. Oh. Mm. I need to pick up some more honey. Mm. I really love this Jamie's honey, though. It's awesome. Jamie's raw honey. I just picked it up from Walmart. I think I talked about it before. It has the honeycomb in it. Can't beat that. A little pricey, but I didn't know honey could taste so good. I used to buy that little bear honey, the one with the little bear. That wasn't honey. That really wasn't even close to being honey. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. So guys, I'm going to get back to the sequel. I want to get back to the relationship sequel. Because the one thing I want to talk about is how when you, like I said in the first part 1, when you decide you're done, like you've hung it up, you've hung up your guns, you're done. No more relationships. It's over. It's finished. And you don't even leave the house. You don't do anything to try to even find love, because you're done. Truth and honesty. That's where I was. Remember? I told you that. That's where I was. I just really was, been there, done that. Been married quite a few times and dates, and never really had a good relationship. Never. It was always so disappointing. Always. I could never get everything I was looking for in a person. I know. That's probably not possible. I know that. But I could never get the right combination of things. I could never get the right combination of things, because even if it's not everything you're looking for, at least you should be able to find someone that has a few of the qualities, even if they might be missing some. But the ones that they have is enough to make the whole package, you know? I was never that lucky, even. I was never that lucky in the past. It was always something like, yeah, you have this and this, but this over here, what you're doing, negates all that. Like, I can't deal with that. It's got to end. That's how it always was for me. Kid you not. Until now. You know how you go to sleep at night and you wake up the next day and it's like, is this too good to be true? Did I just dream this happened? That's where I'm at. That's where I'm at. Am I dreaming? Pinch me to see if it's real, because my mind can't decide. To quote the song, it's true. Like, God just finally like said, hey, you deserve someone who has everything you're looking for, because out of all the relationships you've been in and marriages, you didn't even have anyone that was close to having even an eighth of what you're looking for, you know? So this time, I really believe everything that I searched for in the past, like years and years ago, everything that I knew I was looking for and everything that I wanted, came to me after I gave up. Came to me after I gave up. But you know what? When God speaks to you, even if you have given up, and He says, hey, this is the one, you have not given up. You're not giving up. You're going to give this last one a chance, because this is the one. This is your soulmate. This is the one that you will spend the rest of your life with. So get out of that mindset. And give it a chance. This doesn't just happen to me. This can happen to you. If you're where I was, it can happen for you too. So if you're single out there, and you absolutely think that no one is out there for you, think again. Think again. Give love a chance. For those of you who saw my unboxing yesterday, you were fortunate enough to get a glimpse of my chef Coco. You were fortunate enough. And to those of you who did not get a chance to see the unboxing, I'm going to give you a close-up. She is going to be revealed. To the woman that changed my life, Miss Corsha. Miracles happen every day. They happen every day. I still need pinched. I still need pinched to see if it's real. Not literally though. I'm just playing. I know it's real. All the signs were pointing that way. They're all there. So, there's nothing to do from here but move forward. We're going to move forward. Drop me some comments, guys. Let me know if this has ever happened to you. After you've given up, love of your life shows up. Let me know if it happened to you. Let me know what you did. Or just drop a line in the comments and let me know how you met the love of your life. If it didn't happen this way, how did you meet them? I'm curious. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. I expect to see a lot of comments. This is really good. But then again, you know how I do my fried chicken. This one's pretty big. It almost doesn't even look like a wing. I'm gonna tear it apart so you can tell. It really is a wing. Right there. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. That was a phone call I had to take. From my doctor's office. About this back issue, you know? So, I don't remember where we were at, but I think I was asking you to just drop me a comment. Let me know how, when, and where you met the love of your life. A crispy crunchiness. Peace out, my gastronomes. And vampires, I will see you soon.